I don't think people understand how easy it is to create their own 3D world. With Skybox AI, you can make something like this in just 30 seconds. Alright guys, so step one, you want to head over to skybox.blockadelabs.com. This is how the home screen is going to look. You want to go ahead and make a free account. Go over onto the top right hand side over here and hit sign up. So they have a $12 a month, $24 a month, or $60 a month plan, and they also have a free plan. The free plan gives you up to 15 generations free a month. So I'm going to go ahead and click free and then click create account. Once you make your account, it's going to take you back to the home screen where it's going to have you select a skybox. What a skybox is just basically any of these 360-degree worlds that you make. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose any one here. I'm going to choose this one. It looks pretty cool. And then you're going to hit start with this at the bottom. Once you get to this screen, here at the bottom is where you enter your prompt for whatever world you want to create. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys this awesome world that was already pre-generated. This thing looks super realistic. The water looks crystal clear. The colors are amazing. The mountains look so realistic. The houses, like, this thing is awesome. But the prompt that says here is a stunning, beautiful beach on a calm waters of the Mediterranean Sea, island of Corsica, colorful small town in the mountains, rock formations in the water, crisp clear blue sea, cloudy sunset sky, detailed textures. So that's like a super detailed prompt, but you don't have to give it a super detailed prompt. You could also, it works with basic simple prompts as well. So I'm going to show you guys now. So the prompt that I'm going to use to try this out is going to be something very basic, something that anyone can come up with. An abandoned amusement park. Let's start off with that and see what it gives us. You want to go ahead and hit generate, but before you do hit generate, you want to go over here on this drop box, and here you have different styles that you can choose your creation to be. So it can be artistic, realistic, photorealistic, painting, fantasy, you name it. But for this one, I'm going to stick with photorealistic and see what it gives us. And in about 25 to 30 seconds, this is what it gave me. I'm super, super, super impressed. Look at this thing. You could see like the amusement park theme kind of thing that it got going on with like the railroad tracks and then just the overgrown forest. Like it kind of nailed it, really. It looks like an abandoned amusement park. That's pretty cool. I also saw that I wanted to try out this enhanced prompt feature at the bottom. You're going to click this and it's going to take your prompt and then use AI to enhance it and make it better. I'm going to go ahead and click that and see what it gives us. So, and after about 30 seconds, this is what it gave me when I had their AI enhance my prompt. I have nothing else to say. It took this to the next level. This thing looks like a creepy, abandoned amusement park. Exactly what I wanted. Like, and if you think of the possibilities someone can create with this, like a movie or a video game, this thing is crazy. Yeah, this thing did awesome. That's it for today's, guys. This is just a short video just showing you about the new update from Blockade Labs. This thing is awesome if you want to get into like making video games or making movies or just 360 VR videos for like the MetaQuest 3. All types of possibilities you can do with this tool. I was just mind blown. If you guys enjoy breakdowns of these kind of AI tools or more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments. If there's any AI tools you guys want me to break down, I really appreciate your time. And as always, have a great day.